Way overdue, let's talk about bananas. Bananas are the fruit of the Musa acuminata, which is the name given to the flowers that give birth to the fruit. Originally found in Southeast Asia, mainly India, they soon found their way to Africa, the Caribbean, and Central America. Nowadays, they're grown in over 150 countries, with over 105 million tons produced every year. Did you know Antonia Musa, Emperor Octavius Augustus's personal doctor, as well as a Greek botanist, has been credited with promoting the cultivation of bananas?
Thank you.
The banana tree? It's not actually a tree. It's basically the world's largest herb. I'm sorry, what? It's true. The trunk is made up of tightly overlapping leaves, and bananas grow in hands, with the larger stalk, of course, known as a bunch. There are believed to be over 1,000 different varieties of bananas, and they're all divided up into 50 different categories. Some examples are the Mona Lisa, the Blue Java, red, pink, and the most commonly exported, the Cavendish. But the Cavendish wasn't always the king of the bananas. That title used to be reserved for Big Mike. Big Mike, or Gros Michel, started to be cultivated on a larger scale in European countries around the 1800s. But the Panama disease devastated the crops, and by the 1940s it had completely interrupted the international supply. By the 1960s, most production of Big Mike had been stopped. It's a sad story. Bananas rarely contain pesticides or pollutants, and that is due to their thick protective peel. In just one medium-sized banana, you will find 105 calories, 3 grams of fiber, 1 gram of protein, 0 grams of fat, and 27 grams of carbs. Naturally, there's more. There's also vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin D, potassium, iron, and magnesium. Bananas can give increased energy, improved digestion, a possible cure for heartburn, great for psoriasis and acne, improves your mood, reduces stress. They may also help to improve kidney health. And some studies have shown that people who eat bananas 4 to 6 times a week are almost 50% less likely to develop kidney disease. Did you learn anything new about bananas today? Because I certainly did. Whoa. And if you want to learn more awesome stuff like this, be sure to click here or right here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.